everyone, today we're doing a 10-minute point of view portrait photo shoot. We have our model Hayley, and I'm going to be using the Sony A7C with the Sony 55mm f1.8. I'm going to set a 10-minute timer. Where's my timer? 10 minutes. Let's go. So I think we can start if you kind of lean your arm like on the column there. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that looks so dreamy. So I have to remember to keep my camera like in line. I'm not doing it. Oh, that looks beautiful. Let me get a full body shot there. You can twist around, maybe you can, yeah, lean on like the other side of your elbow. Oh, that looks cool. It's very like Alice in Wonderland looking. Yeah. Can you lean forwards the way you did just then? Yeah, that looks really cool for like a close-up. All right, and then I saw just behind us like some palm leaves look really cool. Maybe you could sit like kind of on the floor just there. I'll try and get a bit further back. Like a full body shot here. Sorry. Oh, that looks so pretty. Oh, that looks amazing. I love that. So moody. It's pretty. I want to try and shoot with a little bit of this palm leaf in there. That's cool. I think if you, yeah, I was going to say like one knee down, one kind of up. Yeah, pretty. Nice. All right, and then I think we'll also do some standing up here as well. I thought it would be cool if you kind of did like a spinning shot and we can get the skirt kind of moving. All right, when you're ready. Yeah, that's so cool. Yeah, I love that when you kind of like swayed it. That looks so good. Oh my gosh, the colors look amazing here. You want to see? Wow. So pretty. It's so clean too with like the palm and then the white. I want to just go out into that sunny bit to get like a backlit shot. Yeah, so if you could stand maybe just here in the sunny bit. All right, so this is a full body shot, and for this one, again, if you want to like flick the skirt around and like kick your legs and spin. Yeah, that's so pretty. And I'll get some more kind of this way too. All right, and then we'll do one sitting down in the grass as well. I think maybe in just this smaller patch of sunlight. And I reckon if you have like your legs out to like the side. Yeah, I like that. Oh yeah, no, there are a little bit of bindis. Yeah, I was gonna say if you could rest your hands like in your lap. Yeah, that's nice. How much time do we have, Lydia? That's cool. Do you want to sit with your legs crossed? Yeah. And then if you bring like one knee up and then one, down. Oh, I'm not used to shooting on a 55. I'm always like too close for the shot that I want. And do you want to show that knee, the one that's down? If you like bring the skirt, up a little bit, That's pretty. Oh, that looks amazing. Okay, let me get an extreme close-up. And then do you want to try one if you lay down on like the grass and I can get like probably a close-up shot? Yeah, pretty. So, with the hand that's closer to me, if you want to put it like just like down on the grass, Awesome. And then we'll do one more with like heaps of movement and just have, bitty. Okay, so we'll start like down there. When you're ready, you can come towards me as well. That's cool. You can do some smiling ones if you want. That's cool. That looks so cool. Ooh, I love the back of the top. It's so pretty. Maybe we'll just do one. Yeah, I like how like the little bow. Oh, that's nice. And then do you want to do one more spin if you kind of just like have your head up? Like a real daydreamy shot. Awesome. Yay, done. Ah. Whoa, that's loud. Here you go. I don't know if you wanted to like mix them up a little bit so it's like pink and white together. Let's go to that little bushy bit. Whoa, that looks so beautiful. Yeah, probably just here in front of the bushy bit. Oh my god, that looks so dreamy. Do they smell nice? Yeah. Hyacinths. Which ones are those? Oh, I like that with it kind of closer to your head.
They're like a bowl.
If you could tilt the flowers that way, yeah.
I'm not ready.
I don't know, would it look cool if you just kind of rested above your head? Yeah. And then we can do some with it just kind of like by your side. Maybe if you sit on that little rock bit. Yeah, that's cool. Can you pull up the lining of the skirt a little? And then maybe if you bring up the tulle a little bit more so it like bunches up slightly. Yeah. Perfect. Maybe you can have the flowers just resting on your lap. Yeah, that's cool. That looks beautiful there. Oh yeah, holding them up towards your head. So I'm getting them, they're like blurry in the shot and I'm just getting you in the shot. And then we can do one more like standing, maybe just holding the flowers down. Then maybe you could like maybe grab the dress like kind of up. Just walk into the bins. Ooh, that looks really nice. I like that. Sorry, now both your hands are occupied. That's cool. You can let go of the skirt if you want to move your hair around. Cool. Maybe you could do kind of little half sways. Yeah, beautiful. I love that movement. Do you want to do a couple more if you hold them out towards the camera? Awesome. Yay! Okay, done.